Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are detoxing and cleansing the body. Chef Ricardo Cooking. Chef Ricardo Cooking said to do this in the morning. Girls on me, on the dance floor, all eyes on me. Who is he? Then you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me, yeah, where the girls are. This is how your night should be. All eyes on me,
all eyes on the prize, money supersized. G5 super fly, should be supervised.
His last year video last night, and then he uploaded the same video yesterday because many people in the new year want to detox, reboot, restart, cleanse, and detox the body. So he's from Jamaica. This is what he said. I've always used a palm full of baking soda whenever I had indigestion or I felt like I needed to burp. So if I ate a greasy burger, greasy chicken, or just felt extremely bloated and full, I would take a little capful of baking soda, shoot it back like a shot of BC, and belt. I've always done that. And he said to take 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a half a cup of lemon, and that it will cleanse and detox the body. So you know, here at Carter's Eat, we eat lots of different things. And he said it's good if you eat red meat and chicken and pork and greasy foods and you want to flush these things out. So this morning he said do it on an empty stomach. But I was like, can I have coffee first? No. Hey, if this is your first time here, be sure you subscribe and thumbs it up. And let's get right into this video. So he asked that you have fresh lemon. I don't have any lemons in the house. I do have lemon juice and I do have baking soda. Make sure it's baking soda, not baking powder. Baking soda, not baking powder, okay? I also use baking powder to brush my teeth. Always have, don't know why. Started doing it in college. I said to myself, what did the slaves and people, before toothpaste came, what did they use? And something came to me one night and said baking soda. Now that's me connecting with the ancestors. But then I heard that's what people use. So, I've always used baking soda in addition to my toothpaste to make them sparkly white. Okay, you guys, are you ready to get into the video? I know everybody's got goals and weight loss plans in the new year, but we're all being health conscious about what we eat, plant-based diets, going keto, Mediterranean diet, vegan this, but it's also good to do a flush and a detox, and I can't get my Arbonne detox tea, the whole kit that I want right now, so we're gonna do it from a grassroots level. Okay, so we got our baking soda, and we've got our lemon juice. All right, I'll bring you closer and let's get started. Also, I just had my yearly physical, December 23rd, and I got my results yesterday. Everything is fine. Everything. A1C, blood pressure. I'm morbidly obese, but we're going to do something about it. We have to call ourselves a work in progress. We don't let it resonate and stay that way. Now, if you've gone through my playlist and visited my channel, we do eat a lot. We do. I try to intermittent fast. If I'm going to do a video where I'm eating a good amount of food, I won't eat for the rest of the day. I may graze fruits or whatever the kids are eating. I do like chips, so I have to stay away from some fatty foods, and I do have acid reflux. So I love potato chips and I love French fries, but that is a problem for me. If you have allergies to either of these two products, please be careful. Do not do this. Consult your doctor. Also, I'm so proud of myself for the results I got from my doctor. So as we go into 2021, I am working on getting at least 40 pounds off, and you guys are going to help me. Now, I'm going to eat my food, but we're going to be conscious of what we eat and how much we eat and how many times a day we eat. So I am intermittent fasting, as I said, but also I have to get the weight off to live heart healthy. And we said that last year. If you watch our whole juicing ministry, 7-day Greek salad challenge, go through our, there's so many videos, but you can go through and see that we had the same initiative last year. I did keep the weight off until right around November. I think I gained a strong 10 back, and it was just because me and my son started eating whites again. We were keeping an eye on his A1C, so we were watching our whites and kind of going keto with daddy, who is diabetic. I lost a lot of weight, looked great. Then the October, November, I did put it back on. And now we've done it 2 weeks and back to intermittent fasting and doing some calisthenics and some stretching and some yoga moves. And I'm feeling a lot slimmer, and the back pain is not as severe. So this is part of the sciatic pain. So that's a whole nother ministry. So you just need to join my channel so you can keep up with story time, mommy moments, chit chat, our lives, and eat with me, chat with me, family vlogs, and family game night. So be sure you subscribe. Go ahead and do that housekeeping now. I need my coffee. My mouth is white. I don't even want to I put some eyeshadow on for you. So we're doing this much lemon juice. I'm gonna get the kids will be done. This is about 1/4 cup of water. I'm gonna add water to this shortly. He did bottled water. So I wanted you to see how much lemon juice I put in, which is probably 2 teaspoons. All right. So I'm gonna add water to that. In the last year's video, he did it together. This, we filled it up with 1/4 water. Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Be sure, again, it's baking soda. Stir vigorously. I can't, I'm not even gonna do that. The kids are coming. I'm out of time. I didn't tell you, I had 2 kids late in life at 40 and 44. So me and my husband have to live our best life. And I am using my creative passion here on YouTube, and I hope you decide to join our family and our journey. Okay. But 6 years ago was on the apple cider vinegar wave. I did it for 4 days straight, capful in the morning, capful midday, capful in the afternoon. Then I went to just the capful in the morning. Not for everybody, based on your pH balance and how your makeup and body is. It gave me the yeast infection. Not for me. I told your physician about that. They might not tell you about apple cider vinegar. You have to get your holistic books, your plant-based books, and kind of network with that community that's into detoxing holistically. So, I said it earlier. Did this video last year, and he did it again this week. Be sure you check out his channel, his cooking recipes. It is phenomenal. He's an outstanding cook, health conscious, great recipes, Jamaican descent. So let's go right ahead and get into this video. This is the baking soda and water, which we are to drink first. Should I bring you closer? Ooh. 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 Give me a minute. It wasn't that bad because I just brushed my teeth with the baking soda. But I'm also dehydrated. I know that. I didn't drink enough water yesterday. Okay, family, Carterians. What we're going to do is do that for 5 days. So I will be back to you on the 5th day, and I will share with you what I experienced on day 1. I'm full. Oh, see, baking soda makes you burp. Makes you burp. It's great. It's great. It makes you burp. I will share with you, perhaps in a vlog, what I experienced day 1. I'll do it again so today is Wednesday. I'll be done on Sunday. Oh, jeez. Oh. Ooh. I'm going to cook the kids a breakfast and I'm going to have my coffee. Thank you for coming. I'll see you on Sunday and we'll talk about we'll see if we vlog it, go through the journey, and let's decide. Hey, go ahead and do it with me and let's see. They say it's to detox. Weight loss, yeah. Let's start with just getting some of the filth out. And do your part. Stretch, touch your toes, do your side stretches. Touch your toes, jog in place, leg lifts, tummy crunches, and go for a walk. And then we incorporate these things to flush out. We'll talk about it. Okay. Yeah. I call ya.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne, murder.